Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see there, we're going to make DEFO DABO, or homemade Ethiopian bread. So what we're going to need is 1 kg of plain flour, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons yeast, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2.5 cups of warm water. Roughly, we may adjust that a little bit. So what we're going to do first of all is sieve our flour, aerate it, makes it nice and fluffy and gets all those lumps out. The next step, in a little water, let's add our yeast, stir that and just set that aside. The next step is 1 cup of our warm to hottish water. To that we're going to add the sugar, the salt and the oil, a little mix, again set that aside. So now we have our yeast mix, our water mix and our dry flour. Let's get moving. To the flour we're going to add the baking powder, our yeast mix and then our water mix. Now we may, like I say, adjust the water slightly. You want a nice dough. So we need to knead this now for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to cover it with some shrink wrap or plastic wrap and leave it for 40 minutes. There you go. As you can see, that's risen up. The yeast has done its thing. Really simply now, we're going to get a metal tray, a ceramic tray, or like we're using a glass tray, and you need to butter that or oil all the sides. In goes the mixture. We're going to top that with some sesame seeds, and then in a preheated oven at 200, that's 200C, we're going to place it in the middle shelf and let it go for about 40 minutes. That is it. It's that simple. Fantastic homemade bread, Ethiopian style. DEFO DABO, Amasaganalo. Hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Lots of love.